i35equipment.com. This is Komatsu D41P-6 Bulldozer. This is a legal load machine. That blade does twist over. Get the blade to a legal width. Runs and operates really good. Has a brand new motor in it with less than 10 hours. Be a good machine to take from job site to job site or to run at your farm and ranch. Here's a working reversal arm, canopy. Plus all the quality that Komatsu is known for. What can you come look at her for yourself? You can bring your mechanic and operator or person who wants to go to you if you like. We're open by appointment only though, so you can call again on calendar. Phone number is 405-833-6437. Also notice it has a rear pin hitch on it, in case you need to hook it up to something. If you'd like a hauling quote, we do send equipment all over the country, so get it shipped to you shouldn't be an issue. Just fill out the form on our website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. If you like the best rate that comes back to us, welcome you to pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped, or arrange for your own hauling if you like. Let's get up here and have him move this blade for us. You see it's multiple twist shift, multiple speeds with the twist shift. Check out the back while he's doing that so you can see it. Seems real tight. Six-way blade, of course. Running excellent. So we're not mechanics. However, we do welcome you to come look it over for yourself, like I said. Once again, open by appointment only, so just get us called and get on the calendar. 405-833-6437. Pushing power. If you're in our local area, we welcome folks to dump their dirt, rock, and concrete here. Just give us a call, we'll open the gates and show you where to dump at. Tracks and turns good. Alright, let's check out the undercarriage, everything else, and then we'll hop in the operator station. There's that pin hitch.